question number 1 on sine rule, cosine rule. So pop it on pause and have a go of yourself first of all. Right, looking at this question then, I'm going to have to find the area of triangle ACD. So that tells me that I'm going to have to use half AB sine C. Okay, it's not going to be half AB because you haven't got a height. Right, so let's have a little look then. Well, I've got angle C there, so that's okay. But when I use this rule, I need an arrowhead, don't I? I've got that one, I need to find that one. Right, now finding that one. So to find that one, I'm going to use this triangle. So that's what I'm going to do first of all. So taking a look then, the first thing I'm going to do then is find the length AC. I'm finding that length across there. Right, to do this, I've got to label up this triangle. So this is the side I'm trying to find, so that's going to be A. Okay, opposite A is going to be angle A. And then I'm going to have B and C. Okay, looking at what I've got then, I want to find a side. And if you look, you can see that I've got side, angle, side, or SAS. So it's cosine rule. Right, I've written the cosine rule out and put all the values there. Popping it into my calculator, just having a quick look at this. Whoops, a bit dark by there, isn't it? Right, okay. We're going to have 8.8 squared plus 7.2 squared minus 2 times 8.8 times 7.2 times sine 84. Don't forget to close that bracket. And here's our answer. So I've written down 116.03, but I've left the big number in my calculator. So my next job now is to square root it, okay, because that was a squared, and my answer is 10.77. Again, I have rounded it on the sheet, but I've left the full answer in my calculator. Right, so now I know this length. Okay, I can then look at that second triangle. So here it is. Once again, I'm going to label it up. This time, I need sine C. So the angle I know must be called C. So I'm going to call that C. Opposite, I'm going to call little c. And then A and B, large A, little a, big B for that angle, little b for that angle. Okay, for that side, sorry. Right, once again now, sub it all in. And again, when I do this on my calculator, here it is, you'll see I've still got that number in there. So I'm going to do 0.5 times ants, that'll bring that number back up, times by 18.6, times by sine 47, don't forget to close the bracket, equals, and there we have the final answer, and it's at that point that I round. Okay?